Hello guys, today we are going to rewrite from vertex form to standard form. And I went ahead and wrote your vertex form and your standard form. So here's an example from Delta Math where we're going to rewrite it to standard form. So step number 1, we're going to expand it. So I'm going to rewrite it by expanding it. You see how the exponent is 2? Well, we're going to write this twice. So here we go. I'm writing x minus 1 twice because of the exponent being 2. I'm done with step number 1. Step number 2. We learned how to use the distributing method, and we also learned how to do the box method. This is up to you which one you prefer, but I am going to show the example with using the distributing method. So what I'm going to do at this time, I am going to take my first term and I'm going to distribute it to everything on the second set of parentheses. So x times x gives us x squared. X times negative 1 gives us negative 1x. Now I am going to distribute the second term to everything on the second set of parentheses. So negative 1 times x gives me negative 1x. Negative 1 times negative 1, negative and negative gives you a positive 1. I'm going to make sure that I put all of that in parentheses and bring the rest of it down. Don't forget to bring that minus 8 as well. Now on step number 2, do not forget to combine like terms, CLT. So inside the parentheses, if you noticed, we're able to combine those two. So when we combine those two, negative 1x minus 1x gives you negative 2x. So now I'm going to bring the rest of it down again. So now I'm done with step number 2. Going to step number 3. The outside number, that 3 outside the parentheses, I'm going to distribute. So I'm going to distribute my 3. So 3 times x squared gives me 3x squared. 3 times negative 2x gives me a negative 6x. 3 times a positive 1 gives me a positive 3. And I will bring the rest of it down. Do not forget to bring that minus 8. We're almost done. So we're done with step number 3. Step number 4, we're going to combine like terms again. Your last two numbers, we're able to combine their constants. So 3 minus 8 gives us a negative 5. So I'm going to bring the rest of it down. Y equals 3x squared minus 6x. Now we have finished and wrote it in standard form. So we have y equals 3x squared minus 6x minus 5. To check our work, we're able to put the original problem down in decimals, and then we could write our standard form on the second line, which is y equals 3x squared minus 6x minus 5. And if you noticed, they overlapped. Do you see that? They're overlapping. So y'all have a good one. Thank you. Bye.